Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to fix if your power button is not working in your Poco smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your setting, click on settings, then you have to swipe down, go to system settings, and here it is. You can see in the system settings you have to swipe upwards and click on accessibility. Then you have to enable accessibility menu. Just enable this, click on allow, and you can see this shortcut button. When you just click on it, here it is the power button. From here you can power off if your power button is not working. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.